Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up your alarm. So press the clock on your iPad, and on the very bottom it says alarm. So just click on it, and then on the top right you press the plus button. So once you press on it, you can set the time. So for example, I want to set at 21:30. So you press when you want to repeat this setting, this alarm setting. So example, Sunday and Tuesday. So label it, for example, wake up, and then you can just pick which sound or ringtones you want. You can pick which one suits you best, and then you want the snooze button to be there or not. Once you're done, you just have to press save. And if you make a mistake, you can still press edit and edit whatever you want to change, and just press save again. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.